Pregnancy is a journey filled with anticipation and joy. It's a time to cherish and celebrate. From capturing the moment to relaxing getaways, there are numerous ways to commemorate this special phase of life. A pregnancy photoshoot is a beautiful way to document the journey. It's not just about the growing bump, but the glow and the emotions that come with it. Choose a theme that resonates with you, whether it's nature-inspired or a cozy indoor setting, and capture these fleeting moments. Before the sleepless nights begin, a baby moon offers a serene escape. It's a chance for expectant parents to unwind and connect. Pick a tranquil destination or a place you've both longed to visit, and make memories that you'll look back on fondly. A gender reveal party adds an element of surprise and excitement. Gather your loved ones and think of creative ways to unveil the big news. Balloons, cakes, or even a paint splash can make the revelation a moment to remember. Self-care is crucial during pregnancy, and a prenatal massage is the perfect indulgence. It's not only relaxing but also beneficial for easing pregnancy aches. Make sure to visit a certified therapist who specializes in prenatal care for a safe and soothing experience. Creating a baby bump cast is a unique way to preserve your pregnancy shape. It's a hands-on activity that results in a tangible keepsake. Decorate the cast with paint or decals to personalize it, making it a cherished memento of your pregnancy. Embrace the beauty of pregnancy by creating lasting memories with these fun and heartfelt celebrations.